Alright guys, Katie Killer Russian here. Today, we're in the Wisconsin wilderness, and we see a robin. He likes worms, of all different sizes. Skinny worms, small worms. Most of all, he likes his large worms. He just rips them right off the ground and just eats them right up. Slurpy slurp. Oh, there's another. You see him? The worm, his natural habitat. The robin, gonna eat the worm. Oh yeah, and by the way, spring in Wisconsin, still snow. It's about -20 out here today, freezing. Oh, he flies away. Goodbye, audience.